Hey guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to handle customer overpayments in QuickBooks Online the right way, so your books stay accurate and organized. Overpayments happen more often than you might think. A customer might accidentally pay the wrong amount, include multiple invoices in one payment, or simply round up. The key is to record it properly, so the extra money is tracked and easy to apply later. Let's walk through a simple way to handle this using the Receive Payment feature in QuickBooks Online. First, from your QuickBooks dashboard, go to the New or Plus Create menu at the top of the screen. From that menu, choose Receive Payment. This is the tool you'll use anytime you're recording money a customer has paid toward an invoice. Next, you'll see a form where you can select a customer. Open the Customer dropdown and choose the customer who sent the payment. Once selected, QuickBooks will display a list of their open invoices. Find the specific invoice that was overpaid and make sure it's checked. This tells QuickBooks which invoice the payment should be applied to. Now, in the Payment Amount field, enter the full amount you actually received from the customer, not just the invoice amount. For example, if the invoice was $100 and the customer paid $120, you'll enter $120. QuickBooks will automatically recognize that the payment exceeds the invoice balance. It will apply the correct amount to fully pay the invoice and then record the extra as a credit on that customer's account. You don't need to create the credit manually. QuickBooks handles that for you. Before saving, take a moment to review the form. You should see that the invoice is marked as fully paid and the remaining amount appears as an unapplied credit. This confirms that the overpayment has been recorded correctly. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close. That's it. The overpayment is now stored as a customer credit, and it will be available the next time you create or receive a payment for a new invoice from that same customer. When you record the next transaction, you'll see that credit ready to apply, so nothing gets lost or forgotten. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and step-by-step guides.